Hey, what's up Shiba Inu holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm talking about the Shiba Inu latest update. What's the current price of Shiba Inu? What's the price changes occurring in the Shiba? In this video I will share the whole update. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now at this time the current price of the Shiba Inu in the market is 0.000036 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Shiba Inu in the market. And on the other side, my friends, on the other side, if you look the price changes of the Shiba Inu, so my friends, now Shiba Inu price is again back up in the market, and now I hope that they will again trending in the cryptocurrencies market. Every change of the Shiba Inu will become positive. You can see that the last 1 hour, last 24 hours changes of the Shiba Inu is positive. The price is very fastly and very hugely increased in the last 24 hours, my friends. Let's see the price chart. You can see, my friends, but they take a gradually jumps. You can see sometime the price pump, but after some period of time the price increase and decrease, my friends. Sometimes price falls down for some time and again price pump. But I hope it is the last of month, and in the last of month possibilities, higher possibilities that the price increase, my friends. I'm clear that the upcoming 1 week Shiba Inu price will increase. I'm clear about that, I'm sure. Anyways, how do you feel today about the Shiba Inu? Please also share your opinion, your prediction in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.